Kanye West is planning a trip to meet with President Vladimir Putin and perform first ever show in Russia with Sunday service. I could see those two. I could see them getting a photo together or something.
Yeah. I would imagine it'd be like, Dennis Rodman and Kim Jong-un?
Well, I think this is a little bit less controversial. Russia's accessible. North Korea is just seems tough to get in and out of.
I guess because of the conflict.
Yeah, I mean, you ever see in North Korea when they have that little overlap zone with South Korea and they have to do, they try to have a talk and it's like this really strongly militarized area.
Yeah, they're all holding guns, both sides.
I mean, I guess Russia's probably got some regions like that too. The 46-year-old rapper will also perform his first ever show in Moscow with his Christian Sunday service gospel. That seems to line up. There's a big Jesus Catholic element in Russia as well.
Sure.
History there. His performance will likely be at the Crocus City Hall Theater or the Grand Sports Arena, where much of the 1980 Olympic Games were held. He's looking forward to making Russia a second home, as sources told Billboard that Kanye deflected issues with strict travel sanctions between Russia and the United States as tensions rise amid a conflict with Ukraine. I guess he's hit it off with Vladimir Putin.
Yeah.
He's expanding his business empire to Russia. I mean, maybe he wants to sell the Yeezy stuff over there.
Yeah. I mean, they don't say when, but...
This is a weird story. It's who's telling us this? You know what I mean? Did Kanye himself say it somewhere? What is the source of this?
He said he was planning to go.
Oh, he did say that?
Yeah. And close sources said that no matter what, travel restrictions, because the U.S. don't recommend Americans to go there.
Yeah.
And Kanye said he's going to make his way regardless.
Kanye's strategic advisor.
Kanye. Or Ye. Sorry, I had to just put that in there.
Because he's
formerly known as
officially
Kanye
changed
West.
his name. Well, you know what's funny is I saw on Google it changes the suggestion for the topic around Kanye to Ye.
Oh, no way.
Yeah, they updated it.
It's Ye.
Kanye's strategic advisor Amir Sudan, you guys scroll down, and lawyer Scott Balber are coordinating the trip. Balber is also acting as a liaison for his clients, Azerbaijani Russian billionaire real estate developer Aras Agalarov and his son Amin Agalarov. He plans to invite Putin to attend the gospel performance. Very interesting. And the reason that the U.S. Department of State has put Russia on level 4 do not travel is because of COVID and related entry restrictions. They also put terrorism, harassment, and so forth. Also.
Beef.
This is general
beef.
General beef and sensitivity and Facebook and whatever else people have been talking about Russia with. You know what I mean? Like the Russia topic of recent years. But I'm sure Ye is going to do fine getting in and out of Russia.
I really wonder if he's going to bring his choir as well.
Well, he's got to otherwise it's not the Sunday service, right?
Well, he can grab people from Russia.
Hey, man. You act like it's like interchangeable Sunday service.
No, I mean, yeah.
It
would be hard to bring the whole crew there.
Well, he just get a whole jet, man. You're talking about Ye right here.
He could, yeah.
Putin.
I mean, he's done it before, actually.
Between the two of them and the lawyer, Balber, he's connected to the billionaire, Azerbaijani Russian billionaire real estate developer Aras Agalarov. There's so many people involved in the billions here.
Yeah.
They're going to figure it out, man. They're going to get a whole plane together. And Kanye's not worried about those tensions. He's expanding the business empire over there into Russia.
He should live stream it and have Putin just like sit there and just watch.
Yeah.
Or experience it himself.
Do you think Putin stays for the whole thing or he just pops in?
I'm sure he'll stay.
For the
Kanye
whole
made
thing?
his whole way there.
For the whole thing? Talking about Putin?
I mean, it's a couple hours, right?
I feel like he pops in.
Okay.
I don't know. Maybe not.
All right.